Given the need for a continuous improvement in the health research in Nigeria, the federal government has launched the National Health Research Ethics Committee to regulate a health research aimed towards attainment of necessary ethical criteria of the Ministries of Health's 4 pillars in the Renewed Hope agenda. The Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Tunji Alausa, while inaugurating the committee, said the president is very determined to ensure that every single Nigerian is provided with meaningful health care. Says that the establishment of the National Health Research Ethics Committee reflects the government's unwavering dedication to foster a healthcare system that is rooted in integrity, transparency, and ethical conduct. Allows to stress ethical dimensions of health research as very crucial in the pursuit of scientific advancement and medical breakthroughs, and that one of the major work of the committee is to provide guidance to researchers, instill public trust, and ensure that the nation remains at the forefront of health research in Africa.
How do we ensure that Nigerians are protected from being used as guinea pigs? We will never allow Nigerians to be used as guinea pigs. The government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will never allow that to happen. And you've seen our president in his passion to protect our country, to protect our resources, to protect the security of our country. And we, as part of a 4-point initiative in the Ministry of a 4-point agenda in the Ministry of Health, the first one about governance, which is the big one. And as an enablers of our governance that we aggressively incorporating into our healthcare system, that's one of the reasons why we're launching, where we've taken the constitution of the NREC, National Health Research Ethics Committee, as a high priority, because we believe in maintaining high ethical standard in our healthcare system, both in every sector of our healthcare system, front and center, from pharmaceutical research, device equipment, and the care we provide to our citizens. And that's why that's one of the major role of the National Research Ethics Committee. They will be the ombudsman. They will police our healthcare system. And it's the fact that we're putting a lot of integrity, transparency, and respect of our dignity, respecting Nigerians, protecting our dignity, and protecting our sovereignty. That's why we've made effort quickly to constitute this committee. And now, with the other question on One Health approach, the National Health Research Ethics Committee is a cost-cutting enabler that will work with every sector in our healthcare delivery system, and that's already it's already been taken care of.
The chairman of the committee, Professor Richard Adegbola, assures prompt implementation of the duties of the committee to guide ethical principles of research and ensuring that all research conducted in Nigeria adheres to rigorous standard of integrity.
So I know the ethical research requirements, I know the research requirements, the scientific questions, and we are going to, with the permission of the Honorable Minister, one of the first things I think we will do, that I will do on behalf of my committee, is to contact the recently inaugurated committee to see how can we work in synergy so that we don't actually waste our time looking at a research that's going to use it, that it has to meet a certain standard, the scientific standard, before it comes to the ethics committee. That's going to be the approach. So we are not only going to just review projects, we're going to set up training systems to make people aware, and also communicate in a way that is digestible to the community. In that instance, we will need the press to work with us. The press people that are here, thank you for coming. You are going to come again. You are going to work with us, make the issues digestible so that you can take the community along as well. One of the things that we do that press can help us with is a communication plan that we spell out and actually simplify what is required into bullet points, so that all researchers and the communities will know what the requirements are before coming to us. Thank you. I hope that answers your question.
Thank you so much.
Messi Adi, News 24.